In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a VPN on your iPhone or iPad using Nordvpn. Setting up a VPN can significantly enhance your online privacy and security, and with Nordvpn, it's a straightforward process. So, let's dive right in. To begin, head over to the Nordvpn website. You'll want to find the download page for their apps. Once you're on the landing page, the first thing you should do is look for the login option. It's usually prominently displayed for easy access. Clicking on it will take you to the Nord account login page. Once there, enter your login credentials. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account on Nordvpn's website. But let's assume you're all set up and ready to go. After logging in, you'll land on your account overview page. Here, you can manage all your subscription details and settings. Spend a moment getting familiar with this page, as it can be quite resourceful for managing various aspects of your VPN setup. Next, navigate to the Downloads section. This is where all the apps related to your subscription are hosted. On the Downloads page, you'll find different options for various devices and platforms. Since we're focusing on setting up Nordvpn on an Apple device, look for the section dedicated to mobile solutions. Click on VPN Solution for Mobile. This will narrow down your options, focusing on apps suitable for iOS devices. When you see the option for iOS, go ahead and click on it. This will ensure you get the right version of the app, tailored to work perfectly on your iPhone or iPad, maximizing compatibility and performance. After this step, you're almost there. You should see an option to download the app. Click the Download button to initiate the download process. The app will begin downloading, and depending on your internet speed, it should only take a few moments. Once the download is complete, locate the app on your device and open it. You'll be prompted to log in again using your Nordvpn account details. Upon successful login, you can start browsing securely. Nordvpn will allow you to select servers from all over the world, giving you the flexibility to manage your online presence as you prefer. There you have it. Setting up Nordvpn on your iPhone or iPad can be done swiftly and efficiently with these steps. Not only does a VPN add a layer of security, but it also provides access to content that might be restricted in your area, offering you a safer and more versatile internet experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing securely.